The first civil engineering project is rarely what one expects. It marks the moment when theory meets reality, when precision on paper must withstand deadlines, client demands, and the unpredictable nature of real-world design. Many young engineers believe success depends solely on technical skill, but the truth runs deeper. The first project reveals how much professionalism is built on curiosity, communication, and accountability. It is less about knowing every answer and more about learning how to think, adapt, and take ownership. These are the unspoken rules that quietly shape every career in civil engineering. Before diving in, think back to your own beginnings, or imagine your first project ahead. What do you think will challenge you most? The design itself, the teamwork, or the pressure to deliver on time? Share your thoughts in the comments. Every perspective helps someone else take their next step with more confidence. One of the first unspoken rules is to understand the why, not just the what. Many young engineers begin their careers focused on completing assigned tasks exactly as instructed. But true engineering excellence starts with curiosity. Every grading slope, drainage line, and elevation exists for a reason. Asking why a standard applies or why a certain solution was chosen opens the door to real understanding. The best engineers do not merely follow templates, they refine them, creating solutions that are both compliant and creative. Another rule that quickly reveals itself is that drawings are conversations. Every plan sheet tells a story, one that must be read by city reviewers, contractors, and senior engineers. A missing note or a misplaced label can cause delays, cost overruns, and frustration for everyone involved. Clarity is not optional, it is a form of respect. In professional environments where precision matters most, attention to detail becomes the truest sign of maturity. At AXA Engineers, quality assurance is treated as an integrated system rather than a final step. Each drawing passes through multiple layers of review, ensuring that what leaves the desk represents not just accuracy, but trust. This approach reminds young professionals that good drawings are not about speed. They are about reliability. Deadlines, too, carry lessons that go far beyond scheduling. Delivering on time is not just about efficiency, it is about integrity. A flawless design submitted late can still erode a client's confidence. The engineers who thrive in this profession are those who communicate early, manage expectations honestly, and keep their promises. Meeting deadlines teaches discipline, but more importantly, it builds a reputation that follows one throughout a career. Mistakes are inevitable, especially in the early stages. The difference between a beginner and a professional lies in the response. Engineers who admit errors, take responsibility, and correct them quickly earn far more respect than those who hide behind excuses. Accountability is a habit that strengthens technical judgment and reveals character. In high-performing design environments, engineers are encouraged to adopt a leadership mindset, to take ownership of results rather than simply completing assigned portions. This mindset transforms technical roles into professional stewardship, where every detail matters because someone's safety, budget, or trust depends on it. Collaboration is another unspoken rule. Civil engineering is never a solo act. Each design interacts with the work of architects, surveyors, and planners. Coordination requires patience and empathy as much as technical skill. Learning to listen, to clarify before assuming, and to keep documentation transparent is how successful projects are built. Collaboration, when done well, transforms complex designs into coherent systems that serve communities effectively. The first project is also a lesson in balance, between precision and practicality, between ambition and humility. It teaches that engineering is not only about solving problems but also about anticipating them. It is about learning from those with more experience and gradually developing the instinct to see potential issues before they arise. The most important truth about any first project is that it never truly ends. Its lessons carry forward to every drawing, meeting, and design decision that follows. It builds habits that become a foundation for trust and excellence. Civil engineering, at its heart, is about creating lasting structures, and that begins with building one's own professional integrity. Those who embrace these lessons early grow faster, contribute more meaningfully, and find deeper satisfaction in their work. AXA Engineers continues to uphold these principles by helping design firms worldwide deliver projects that balance precision with purpose. The values that guide each successful project are the same values that guide enduring partnerships: clarity, consistency, and care. For anyone preparing to begin that first project, remember, technical skill will get you started, but character will keep you moving forward. Follow AXA Engineers to explore more insights about civil engineering growth, project excellence, and the professional mindset that builds a lasting career.